This is the vlog for July 23rd, 2018, and healthcare. So, this is not how I thought my night was going to go. Our portable air conditioner arrived, and the upstairs is already noticeably more comfortable. This is actually the hottest room in the house now, which I don't mind being in, considering how nice the rest of the house has been, and I know that I can flee somewhere to keep cool if I want. But that nice feeling has been somewhat stymied by the fact that I decided to look into my health insurance, and I wanted to save some money by possibly switching to a company provided health plan, which is, some people out there may think I'm quite stupid because I've had the option of taking a health plan from the temp agency that I technically work for. And I never have, because I've always been afraid that on those required 2-month breaks, I'd lose my coverage. And if I got sick at that point, I would be really up a creek with no paddle. And so I've always had a personal plan that I pay for out of pocket, or rather a plan that I've signed up for and I'm paying through freely of my own money rather than through a company provided plan. And I thought that the costs were comparable and that this way I could keep paying on the months where I'm not working, and that'd be hunky-dory. Well, thankfully I had my dad's help with this. I was talking to him and explaining the differences in plans, and he was a little bit frustrated, not quite so frustrated as I was that all this stuff seems so confusing and time consuming. I haven't actually eaten yet. In fact, while I was talking to my dad, my mom chimes in and says, has Eric even had dinner yet? And I went, no, but don't worry about it at this point. It's getting a little late. If I eat now, I'm going to be up till 11. Well, I might be up that late anyway, just as how hot it is. But, yeah. I have determined that this will be cheaper in the long run. I'm going to be saving, best guess, probably $200 a month. So that's considerable. And I also had a raise right before I went on my 2 months, and that's being reflected now. So all in all, I'm going to be making more money and paying less for my health insurance. So yeah, life is good. And all it cost was one headache of an evening trying to puzzle through. So this is one of the things that kills me about the way this health system works and about the way companies work. I've had a health plan I've been paying for since January. And I've had benefits. If I had I did get sick, but I didn't feel the need to go to the doctor, so I didn't go to the doctor, so I didn't pay anything to the doctor. I didn't copay, deductible, none of that. I haven't needed it yet. I've been paying for this for 6 months, and I just tonight created an account on the Premera Blue Cross site to figure out what my plan's actual numerical benefits were, so that I could compare them to the plan I was going to get through work. I've created an account for this company just so I can cancel them next month. Well, September. I want to make sure that I'm covered for August, because the benefits kick in 30 days after the start of my enrollment, or 30 days after I sign up for it and start paying for it. So I won't be covered until sometime in August, so I might as well pay for the month of August for my old plan, and that's fine. Come August, though, I'm going to start saving some money, or September, I'm going to start saving some money. So, yeah, it is hot in here, and it's a lot hotter than it is in the other rooms in the house at this point, so I'm starting to lose my ability to concentrate. I still think that this room needs its own portable air conditioner, so I'm going to look into picking up one of those Um, Probably, maybe not on. See, I'm going to be doing feather meat on Friday, and I want to have some money to be able to spend if I need to do something. Um, Usually end up possibly spending $100 at the hat shop. And then, incidental stuff like dinner at the AFK is usually a bit more pricey, and we might do the um, Experience Music Project down in Seattle, and I might pick up something at the Pike Place Market. So I like to have a little bit of spending money for that. I'm going to get paid tomorrow, or rather, the payment will go through tomorrow night, and I'll have it Wednesday morning, and then Friday is the first day of the event. Um, so I don't really want to go and spend $500 on a portable air conditioner this week and have it arrive next week, and next week could be when it finally starts to cool off, and then I won't really need it anymore. My sister's coming tomorrow, actually, and she's going to be staying in here. So, come to think of it, this is probably the last time I'm going to be doing this in this room for more than a week. It's gonna get hard to do because, yeah, the room where I was doing it is going to be filled with people. This is going to be tricky. I might have to do these outdoors. At least it's not been raining, and there's no rain in the forecast. Cloudy a week from Wednesday. Partly cloudy and 79. That's the coldest I've seen the forecast be in the 10 days. I can't even figure out what I'm trying to say. The last time it was that cool was Saturday. And it's going to be Saturday, next Saturday for the barbecue is going to be 91 degrees. The following day is going to be 93. So that's 7. So yeah, it'll be 10 days since the last cold day. We're ready for fall. Okay, well, I've hit 7 minutes, so I don't need to moan and whine anymore on camera. I'll moan and whine off camera. I'm Eric Spornitz, and tomorrow will be better.